Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to study together Module 6C. Okay, the title of our unit today is called Buildings. Open page 66, all of you. Listen and repeat. What are these words in your language? Group them under the headings. Listen.
Bank,
Bank is a place where you put your money in.
hostel,
Hostel is a place where people can stay and eat cheaply.
office,
Office is a place where you work.
mall,
Mall is a large building, okay, which have a lot of shops.
motel,
Motel is a hotel near a main road for people who are traveling in cars.
castle,
A castle is a huge building, okay, which have a large fence around it.
house, igloo,
Igloo is a house which is made of blocks of hard snow or ice.
palace,
Palace is a large building, a huge, massive building which is expensive and luxurious.
department store,
Department store is a kind of a store which have a lot of shops.
hut,
Hut is a kind of a cheap, okay, structure which is made of straw.
tent,
Tent is a kind of uh, something which is made of a piece of cloth where you stay camping and so on.
museum,
Museum is a kind of building which shows a lot of historical statues.
shop, skyscraper,
Skyscraper is a very tall modern building, usually in a city.
factory, bed and breakfast, library,
Library is a place where you read a lot of books. And factory is a place where you can work, okay? Have a lot of workers inside to manufacture new things.
restaurant,
Restaurant is a place where you eat. Okay, we have here a lot of buildings, okay, but some of them you live in or stay at, and some of them you work at. So, first of all, let's start which places you live in or stay at. We have castle. What else? We have also hut. You can find huts also at the beach. Okay, we have also hostel, palace, igloo, motel, skyscraper, okay, we have bed and breakfast. You can stay in bed. We have also tent and house. Let's go to the buildings you work at. We have bank, office, mall, department store, we have museum, restaurant, library, factory, shop, okay, motel, and skyscraper. What do you know about the building in the picture? Where is it? What is special about it? Listen and read to find out.
Taipei 101 Mall. Taipei 101 Mall in Taiwan is one of the tallest buildings in the world. It is 509 meters high and has got 101 floors above ground and 5 underground. It is a modern steel and glass building, but it looks like a traditional Chinese tower. Inside, there are 2 fast elevators that take only 37 seconds to go from the 5th floor to the 89th. There are also offices, restaurants, shops, and nightclubs. There is even a library. At night, the tower lights up the city. The light has a different color of the rainbow for each day of the week. Taipei 101 is an amazing building.
Okay, so we have a building called Taipei 101 Mall. Okay, it's kind of a mall and a building in the same time. Okay, it's one of the tallest buildings in the world. It's about 509 meters high. It has got 101 floors. That's why we called it Taipei 101. Above ground and 5 underground. Okay, it's a modern steel. The material of the building is a steel and glass. Okay, but it looks like a traditional Chinese tower. Tower, you know it, it's a tall building, okay? Tall, narrow building. Inside, there are 2 fast elevators. Okay, elevators are a machine that take people, okay, to a different floor in a building. That take only 37 seconds to go from the 5th to the 89th floor. There are also offices, restaurants, shops, and nightclubs. There is even a library. Okay, so we have a library in here also. At night, the tower lights up the city. Okay, so there is a lot of light, okay, in the building, so it lights up the city. The light has a different color of the rainbow for each day of the week. Taipei 101 is an amazing building. Okay, let's go to exercise number 3. Read the text and answer the questions. Explain the words in bold. How many floors are there in Taipei 101? Yes, excellent. It has got 101 floors. Okay, what does the building look like? It looks like a traditional Chinese tower. Excellent. What is it made of? It's made of steel and glass. What's inside the building? Yes, 2 fast elevators. Offices, restaurants, shops, nightclubs, and the library. What happens at night? The tower lights up the city. do you think the building got its name? I think because it has 101 floors. Okay, let's go to exercise number 4. Read the theory, put the adjectives in the correct order. Okay, I have the order of adjectives. Okay, whenever I have a lot of adjectives in the sentence, what shall I do? I shall put them in this order. Okay, I put the size first, then the age, color, and material. Size, age, color, and material. Okay? Like it's a huge old building. We do not normally use more than 3 adjectives. Okay, so here number 1, I have modern glass building. What about old library? Put big, so it will be, okay, I said size, age, so it will be big old library. Okay, I have a steel skyscraper and I have huge. We said yes, the size, then material. So a huge steel skyscraper. Okay, I have red, chair, wooden. Wooden is a material and I have red as a color. Okay, but the color comes first. Okay, so red, wooden, chair. Tiny books, brown. Okay, so here tiny, this is size, and brown color, so tiny brown books. Let's go to exercise number 5. Listen to someone describing a building and answer the questions. Listen.
The Sears Tower is in Chicago. It is a 442-meter high glass and steel building, and it has 110 floors. Inside the building, there are offices, retail shops, a conference center, and even a fitness center. The Sears Tower is a very special building because it is very beautiful, and it is the tallest building in North America. If you ever go to Chicago, don't miss a visit.
Okay, so number 1, where is Sears Tower? It's in Chicago. How tall is it? Yes, 442 meters. What is it made of? Glass and steel. How many floors has it got? 110. What is inside the building? Offices, retail shops, a conference center, a fitness center. What is special about it? It's the tallest buildings in North America. Thank you for listening. See you another time. Goodbye.